But I see people that say, yo, Alkaline Ray do better than Cartel. Him still not do better than Cartel. Because Vybz Kartel got 3 times back to back in a row. Make Alkaline do it 3 times back to back in a row. Come on, we're not going like we don't know say Cartel a lead with Barclay thing. Cartel got 3 nights in a row, bro, and bitches, hoes. Like, come on, what the fuck you think? You think it's a game? For real, you must think it's a game. When the good side of the universe lick footer with a stroke, right? Because the good side of the universe fight against those evil people. So when the good side of the universe lick footer in him face with a stroke, the bad side of the universe lick Kevin off him bike. Because the good side of the universe and the bad side of the universe, them always a fight. But them fight through people. Just like when God and the devil did a test Job. The same way Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee test Mosquito Wadia, because Tommy Lee are the devil where Cartel the God create. You see me? And Job a Mosquito where them did a test. So now if you understand, Gazanation of the revelation is forwarding soon. Gaza Bible. Zine, look out for it. At the revelation. Zine, at the revelation. Gazanation.
I'm like, the bitch did what on the dick? She did all that in 3 seconds? Suck up on it, love up on it, suck up on the cocky, flip up on it, clip up on the clip, bust a clip on the dick with the clip in the. She love up on the dick, come up on the dick, bust up on the cocky like a Rocky in the tucky. She suck it like a motherfucking tucky.
Yeah, she knows.
I was like, okay, no pussy test. What you talking about? It's hella funny. When I did that.
Yeah, she knows it's her. She knows she did that shit on Skillibeng. Cause Skillibeng, the girl them say him have a long thing, you know. Kayla, I think, or Kyla. Yeah, Kyla. Big up Kyla, you see me? She a go hard, we see her with the Asian. I don't know if them just a test the public or them really link up. But you don't know what she says she is an escort, right?
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
Yeah, my people. Yes, blessed again. Yeah, right now we have the same Stunna Girl as she, when did say, a kiss her must suck out tongue with Skeng. Zin, she did once at a studio session with Skillibeng, but it's like she left Skillibeng for Skeng. I don't know why. Oh, why? I don't know why. Oh, why? I feel that through Skillibeng, him rule under the evil side, as what me have shown in most of my video. You see me? Skillibeng are the evil arch enemy for Rytical. Rytical a good youth, God youth. Skillibeng a evil youth, a devil youth. You see me I say? Yeah, and all him need for do for go up on the good side of things, then all him need for do is to just make things right through the Rytical. You see me I say? Just pay him respect publicly. Because I saw you have a thing there, you know. The Bible shows you, I saw you have to confess your sins, you know. You have to cry out your sins to the mountain or on the mountaintop for make the world hear. You see me? Because if you want to make an amend with God and start over fresh, you have to tell the world. You can't hide it from the world. You get what I say? That is why you see the greatest kings who God used to use and God favorite warrior them in the Bible who will make rule for many years. And as them slip, it make them lose them powers, lose all them bitch, them witch. You see me I say? Just like Skillibeng, right? So you you have to understand how God powers work. See? And what you know, you have to understand, say, with the greatest kingdoms, you have to understand them when them used to when them falter, you know, and fall short of the glory of God, you know, them used to have to go cry out to God. And up on the mountaintop where the world can't hear them. And you'd hear one man say, yo, you know, see Esau or you know, see John them or Reverie confess to God, say them there do this and because the word have to spread and people have to know, say, you're sorry for what you do. Like really sorry, it's not a joke sorry. You know, so God forgive them and Him will bless them back after them cry out to Him. I saw all God's favorite warrior them who Him use in the Old Testament. Yeah, I saw them make them amend with God. See? So what Skillibeng need for do is for go publicly and give Rytical him props and make Rytical know say yo, you not deal with him right and you're sorry for that. And Ray. Zin, but I can't stop Rytical blessings still, you know. Zin. But a Skillibeng have win more than Rytical one way. But you see the respect where Rytical have, Skillibeng not have it. Because if you look on a man like Twins of Twins, 2 lakhs, Zin, him a go more talk in a more respectful way for Rytical. Because you know say Skillibeng name in a whole heap of mix up with a man like 2 lakhs. You know, expose. Which not for them think there were 2 lakhs say make sense still, you know, you see what I say? Even though we know him bad mind Cartel and he made Cartel for some reason, you see what I say? Him always a talk about Cartel freak out the girl them and I don't know why him always a talk about Cartel freak out the girl them. You see what I say? Like Cartel freak out him woman or something dog. You see me? So at the end of the day, somebody that got come do it. If Cartel never do it, somebody that come do it, or even somebody a foreign, somebody outside of Jamaica. So I better somebody inside of Jamaica do it before somebody from the outside come do it. Then, cause we know how highly influenced people are by outsiders, like the Chris Brown, them enough. You know what I mean? Enough people. Was Jamaica been a listen to hip hop and all of them things that we are talk about freakiness and the 21 question with Fiddy. And if I use my tongue in babe, would you like that? You know what I mean? So Skillibeng need to go make things right with Rytical and the good side of the universe will start provide for him. And you know what I mean? Because when you have the good side of the universe, I work for you, you know. Your enemies them, where try set up plans and I try go against you. Once you're a good person, the good side of the universe and God will work for you. See, because enough people believe that the universe is God. See, and it makes sense because the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. The world and they that dwell therein. You see me? But some people is definitely the devil people. And them still would have tie black to God to cause God met the devil. See? So you see how the thing go? God met the devil and the devil bad. See? That is why you see when it comes to we have to embrace the bad them. And that I'm telling you, don't get terrified and all scared and get prepared instead of scared when things get bad and wicked and violent. You get prepared and not scared. Okay? Because you stand a more higher percentage possibility and probability to survive. So anyway, this girl, Stunna Girl, Zane, yeah, on her time in the studio with Skillibeng, she had a history. See? But I also did want to make a note about the Popcaan too, because Popcaan need to do the same to Black Ryno. Because Popcaan at the evil side of the universe, he is Black Ryno arch enemy. Him steal Black Ryno blessing. He came in, steal, conquered, and destroyed. See? Black Ryno blessing. And him until him come make it right and say, yo, Black Ryno, such and such. I'm sorry for what I do. Yo, Ray, make us scratch that. And Ray and them do all a collab. You know what I mean? All 2 collab, 3 collab. You know when some artists start link like real banding, them drop all 2 collab black to black. You see what I say? Yeah. So them thing the Popcaan need for do before the good side of the universe can take over, can start work for him and God. Because right now, the devil I work for him. You see what I say? Devil I work for Skillibeng. You get me I say? Them a mainstream favorite. That's why the mainstream take away Popcaan from Cartel, Because Cartel has never been a mainstream favorable artist, Cartel is the type of artist where mainstream want lock out, want gatekeep. But through Cartel so powerful, him so talented, him so bad, the mainstream devil them couldn't lock out Cartel. Them couldn't lock out Tamale, them artists they too powerful. You get me I say? The mainstream devil them love Alkaline from morning, Zine, cause them see say him a go against who the mainstream devil them not like. Zine. And but guess what go on now? Alkaline no friend them. Zine? Alkaline not in enough friend with them. Alkaline are traveling a cartel footstep. You know me I say one way. Cause you see him go work with CJ Milan and them thing there. Yeah. And him go work with Not Nice. So a cartel footstep Alkaline traversing from day one. Zine? So Alkaline, him not really friend up the mainstream devil people them. You see me I say? Where them are the real gatekeeper them. You see me? Shaggy know them. The Sean Paul know them. Because Sean Paul and Shaggy, they were always favorable by the mainstream devil them. And guess what with the mainstream devil them and for them power? Them not really have the power over the people them, you know. See, because them depend upon the people them. Seeing them depend upon the poor people them, where we are the audience. You get what me I say? Because here what them do now. When alright, like say the mainstream devil them who really control the business and gatekeep the thing, who for let in, who for let out, who for get out, who for get in, see? You see them devil people who are them run the shit. You see them people, you know, them people who will love a young artist where under come up, you know, and them want give him the boss, you know. Them know say my boss, see? Because eventually, with the powers what them have, them are stuck the blood clot little artists that were them like. In the people them ears. This is how mainstream artists force ripe them the artists. Alright, you see the youth name Tian, what him name? I tell you, the boy are mainstream artist, so them a push, you know. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you him name. Yeah. Taylor Lanes. You see, you notice I see him everywhere from what here?
Living at the darkness in our apartment.
Him that. Tielo Lanes. You see? The mainstream devil, them a push him, you know. You see me? Them a push him and them want him boss, but them want the people, them, the audience, we for love in music and push him up there. You see me I say? But you have artists who are really better than him still where I do it, you know. But this is how them push for them artists. See? Because guess why, you know, them love them young artists. Yeah? It's not the young artists, the mainstream devil them love, you know, is the people who they, whether you want to say behind these artists or in front of these artists where I carry them. You see what I say? Who them young artists are linked with why these mainstream devil people have to push them artists. Yeah. But a long time them a try push the youth, you know. You see what I say? TL Lanes. Yeah, them a try pushing, but the people them not really accept him thing like that. You know, he might get some fans, you know, because them have him in all type of interview, them have him everywhere to be seen. You get me I say? But when it forward to all of Vybz Kartel now are the type of artists who mainstream people them don't like and don't want to get in. When it comes to them artists them hardly want put out them interview, hardly want them will hold back from whole heap of them content and kind of strain it, you know, or I try extract all of them content. Like I say, artists like Tialo, Lenzia, Zane, when me just make una hear, the people them who respond to film career, them and the mainstream devil have a connection. So me I say. So you have to understand. This is how the music business go. Zane. But if you're an artist with powerful and you sang them bad, and you capture the people them in the streets, mainstream have to let you in. Them have to let you in because there's a qualification. Well, once you do this and you meet this mark, just like YouTube, you know, or enough of them things, once you meet the mark, you can monetize and become, you know, official. And start get PR, whatever. Zin. And then here with social media too. Enough of them people here where you see a get whole heap of subscriber, you know. Zin. Alright, you have to understand, say, the devil run the internet too, you know. The same mainstream, them set a devil in it, you know. One AI devil run this internet, you know. Alright, you have a life, you have a breathing bumbleclot, living monster in this computer thing, you know. Zin? And them cheat for enough people. So here how the mainstream devil work on the computer now. Zin? Because it more easier for the devil them give success to the type of artists who them a push. Zin? Through these through the computer now, the social media, because you have bots, invisible bots. These things are not people. See? And these bots can just flood your following group list. Be a bots can be a following. So when these media living, breathing devil were inside of the computer, them the internet, see? Them can bring success to someone. You know, like some people have whole heap of subscriber and them content. I get whole heap of views, but you not see them in reality. You're not seeing them, you're not hearing nobody talk about them in reality. So them, but when you look on them page and on them, you see one large number of support and comment, and that is how them can trick you with the computer. So I say, so I hope and understand. See? But I forget that me I teach you know how this thing I go. You see me? Them been a black way out a long time still. But I say them can't stop we, you know. Them can't stop we, you see me? Yeah. Only God can stop me now. Alright, watch out. Stunna Girl left Skillibeng for Skeng. Here what she gonna say about Skillibeng now, Zin? Bag thing, a crocus bag thing. A bag thing, me, I tell you a bag thing. Yeah, alright. Stunna Girl shares her studio session story with her fans. Zin? About Skillibeng.
It's hella funny. When I did that song with Skilly, right? And he would start recording it, and I'm like, what is he saying? He was like, on the song. See, I like doing songs with out the country artists, but it'd be hella funny because it'd be like when you listen to it back, it'd be like, what was that? Yeah, like she could come up on the dick, suck a dick. When she look up on the dick, love a dick, go to suck a dick, love, come up on it, suck up on it, lick up on it, cocky. I'm like, what the fuck, nigga? That was just hella shit the bitch did. Like, what? She did what on the dick? Cause suck up on the dick, love a dick, come the cocky on the. I'm just like, girl.
Yeah. You can see say she do it, you know. As she there go and support Skillibeng thing, you know. See it, cause I said, what? What she did? Cause that them gyal glorify them ratchet nasty behavior, you know. You have no problem coming out, you know, saying that them goggle balls and swallow stick and break gear stick and all type of thing. It's me like, I don't know how they make sex become so cheap now that it even sex is not something where me feel pleased to even talk about from long time because of how some people just, you know, it's like I just sex them can talk about. You have some people on the workplace, a road, nothing about sex. That is a conversation starter for them. That is the only thing them, and it just disgraceful. I won't even say distasteful. You see me I say? But judge I know, it just everything sex. Teach you them something good more time, man. You know? Teach you them something good more time, differently. And at that, every artist I sing about sex. The girl them on social media, sex. Big body man, little body man, tight pussy girl, big pussy girl, this, that. But Claude, I say it just makes sex. Make me want to stay away from it. You see me? It just Claude, don't know. And you know, say the young people them all some big girl music. I'm say a big woman today. Although some of them look big and them young, you know, them mind. Are the young mind people them. Because you have some big woman where them just the mind just young same way. And we now say you can't look young, you know. The only thing you have to do is look young. You see me? But you're supposed to mature. You're supposed to mature. You get me I say? And if you want to act more responsible, certain way on the internet one way. You get me I say? Me not say you can't talk about your thing too, you know. And you can't be toxic little and you can't. But boy, every time you see them people, especially all Skillibeng name, him name come up with nothing good but blurt not porn star business. Similar to the Popcaan thing when I show on the tough in the other videos. Say Popcaan really is a porn star, you know, because the corn is the replica of porn. And even though we say Popcaan, and then Popcaan him need to apologize to Black Ryno and make things right too. You see what I say? May sounds crazy to you, but me I tell you no, them need for do something disloyal to the bad energy where I work for them. And this is how bad energy stop work for bad evil people when these evil people want become good. Just like on a favorite celebrity them, especially the Hollywood one them who want start the good and expose Hollywood. Where you see reach them. The bad side of energy stop work for them and start go against them. That is how the energy work in the universe too. You just want to expose Hollywood now. Why you never did expose them years ago? Eh? When the bad energy I work for you, when the bad energy I make you get awards, when the bad energy I make your fans them believe, say, you know what I mean? You're that good and you're that great. When the bad energy I make you get whole heap of fans, the same devil media people them. You know what I say? So watch you know. Until them do something commendable, then the bad side of energy I go feel like said them switch or them I go off course and start work against them. And then guess what? With the good side of the universe, see the evil people them do something great now, like for especially with the arch enemy them, cause Popcaan Black Ryno arch enemy, Skillibeng Rytical arch enemy. You see me? Footer hype and one Kevin a arch enemy. You see me? But Kevin are the one Kevin I work for the good, Footer hype are the bad one. You see me? That's why him get lick in him face what there with some thing there, and from him diabetes and him have to take Viagra them say I'm baiting. You see me? Yeah, so and then the bad side of the universe, it make Kevin crash off him bike at the same time when Footer hype, when the good side of the universe lick Footer with a stroke, right? Because the good side of the universe fight against those evil people. So when the good side of the universe lick Footer hype in him face with a stroke, the bad side of the universe lick Kevin off him bike. Because the good side of the universe and the bad side of the universe, them always a fight. But them fight through people. Just like when God and the devil did a test Job. A same way Vybz Kartel and Tamili test mosquito wadia, cause Tamili are the devil where Kartel the God create. You see me? And Job a mosquito where them did a test. So now if I understand, Gazanation of the revelation is forwarding soon. Gaza Bible. Zine, look out for it. At the revelation. Zine, at the revelation. Gazanation.
Back, I'm like, the bitch did what on the dick? She did all that in 3 seconds? Suck up on it, love up on it, suck up on the cocky, flip up on it, clip up on the clip, bust a clip on the dick with the clip in the. She love up on the dick, come up on the dick, bust up on the cocky like a Rocky in the tucky. She suck it like a motherfucking tucky.
Yeah, she knows.
I was like, okay. No pussy test. What you talking about? It's hella funny. When I did that.
Yeah, she knows it's her. She knows she did that shit on Skillibeng. Cause Skillibeng, the girl them say him have a long thing, Kayla, I think, or Kyla. Yeah, Kyla. Big up Kyla, you see me? She a go hard, we see her with the Asian. I don't know if them just a test the public or them really link up. But you don't know, she says she is an escort, right? A professional escort. She have a nice body, me not lie. You see me, whether a surgery or what. Cause me always I see her face without makeup or cuss and a trace all these times. Then from the Popcaan situation. So you see how Popcaan and Skillibeng them in the same boat. You see it? Them in the same boat. You know what I say? Them need for teach you them something to do. You see me I say? Them can't just this one bag of thing them man by Skillibeng. Popcaan not so bad with him song them. Zin, but even Popcaan continuously I give you this lazy flow where him need for let go. Him need for give us something complicated. Like my thing, watch out. Look what me do on the little Addi open verse challenge. The little Addi open verse challenge. My song are the sickest. But little Addi now give me no justice. Yeah, who me see little Addi a push the same TR no boy there. Where the business a push up. Yeah, that me a show you the business a push up. And him get to little Addi for promote him thing. Because it look like him little Addi want give the open verse, because I'm the biggest artist where mainstream are pushing at every blood clotting. You see me? Hear my thing there, mainstream, I black my thing on Instagram, you know, because just 3 likes me get and about 60 views, you know. And my one of the first one we upload on the Liquor Addi challenge or the second one. Because when me go up on Instagram after my song upload my verse for Liquor Addi, Black Yard what my verse. You see me? Black money, black yard, rich like nigga stop talk. Talk. Rich. You hear it, I make you hear it, you see me? And them a fight my team.
Yeah, me see that already. Me, I'm say me have to mash it up. You see me? Let me try it again. I want to catch it.
Hear it,
you see me? I know Mr. Pepper.
I doubt. Pepper side. Yeah, back of money. Vybz Kartel and Liquor Addi, Black Yard. Let me see a game, we like my daddy. We family. Black money, black yard, rich like who little nigga stop talk. The dog them fully advanced. Black yard, rich like who little nigga stop talk. I'm proud of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the mali. Super fragically, list PSP ali, sexually get a dolly ben reality. In every alley. Make me valley, see? Mediocrity. Black magic, black. Get the black puss with a black dog. When my dog and the left it with a black yard. You see me? You see them not the advance and I father me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black yard, rich like who little nigga stop talk. In a fraud of me dog them fully advanced. Yeah, so what may I say? Cause you see through, me sketch up the song quick for fit him song, you know. And guess what? Little Addi did make sure in I'm caption, put in I'm caption say, if you want to be a part of the open verse challenge, Zane, for win $1,000 and get a spot on the open verse, you have to submit a song. Either you send it to him or you just tag Uptown Gaza Records and tag him, right? I'm gonna do all of that. And it say you have to do that before 12 o'clock the following day. 12 o'clock lunch hour, 12 p.m. the following day. And me upload my one from the first day when him put out the post. You get what I say? Me upload my one the same day and put out the post. And then I see tomorrow 12 p.m. the lunchtime the next day. A man still a upload them song and him use them song and him not give my one a chance. You get me? And my one of the baddest thing. A baby lyrics the man them a bring. I see them use a Keznam dip on it. You see me? One brother will sound like Keznam they a sing Rasta song like look like all him nose bore and thing. You see me? Which we not criticize that. But you get what me I say? Me I say, yo, how them a go around my thing and my thing are the baddest thing. And me I say, we advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially, and even medically. Sell we to everybody and take the mali super fragically, list for SPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality in a every alley, genitally, make the valley see, upper Edwin Allen, then be Clarin Dan them up for me. And me I say, so go tell rivalry, anti-valley, no mediocrity. You get what me I say? And me I say, black magic, watch fraud. Come here I say, yo, cause look at Addi sing about fraud. So me I say, black magic, watch fraud, get a black puss with a black dog. Yo, mad sus, cause you know sus, socialize with puss. So me I say, yo, mad sus, we mad dog. Because we want a puss and a dog. You get what I say? So we have to shout up mad sus. Zine for represent the puss. Because puss dangerous, you know. I say a bad puss and a bad dog war, you know. And how you think the war end? The two of them kill themselves. You get me? I say the puss dead first though. Because the dog bite off the puss head. But the puss use him claw and tear off the dog neck too. All when the puss head in the dog mouth. and I get rip off the post. I use him claw, tear off a dog neck, and the dog take over a day or two for go dead. Dead a bush, you not see him. You see me? After the dog used to day in I scheme, and when him dead, we go find him, and the post kill him, but the post dead first. So mad sauce is a bad post. You get what I say? So when I say black magic, Zin, cause little Addi say in a film course, I say black money, black yard, rich like oh, little nigga stop talk. So me now, my last concluding part of the song now, I say black magic, watch fraud, get a black post with a black dog, and I'll do a mad sauce brown. I say yo, when mad sauce, when mad dog, Addi left the bad kush with the cash card. So we are gonna pull some fraud, you see me? Yeah, cause Addi left him card, you know, say Addi rich, you know. So we are gonna pull some fraud on him card. Yo, sorry, you know, Addi, but we have to pull some fraud on your card from your left it, you see me? And we'll make you get back everything we spend if we spend it. Cause you don't know Gaza people, them rich too, you know. You see me? We never switch to, you know, like them other witch to, you know. You see me? Yeah, so you see what Stunna Girl I say about Skillibeng. Like, she got a little thing and I go on like say, I know she, but she want the world to know say a she. Because I saw when them want to make content, you know, them say, you know, say, oh, I could talk about that time I goggled Skillibeng thing in the studio. And then so come she end up, I say it. You get what I say? Yeah, so a Stunna Girl will left Skillibeng for Skeng. Skeng a good youth, you know. Skeng up on the good side of the universe. Zin? Cause we see Skeng always a bring out people on him show to other young artists. About a 2 times now, I see Skeng bring out young artists. And you have to understand this is one of the main traits to know when an artist is good. To see if them are boss people. Because remember say, I know much artists boss. Out of the millions of artists we go famous in a Jamaica, are just 3 or 4 of them boss people, you know. The artists them, you know. So if you want to know which artists step on the good side, you can look for the artists them with boss artists and give them a platform. You know, I see Skeng bring up be a young artist in a performance for boss up the show or, you know, and make them get a chance to sing to them song, and that is good. So me I say, them thing that make you get talk about in the news, the media, the newspaper and all of them thing there. You see me? Not for a fact all the time, you know, but if you go on good, the media will likely run with your name when you get them type of chance of fame. You see me? So big up Skeng. Him are the real one, you see me? Skillibeng no need for make things right with Rytical. See? Don't look for full hype. Go try and make things right with one Kevin, you know, because for them thing kind of different from Popcaan and Black Ryno with the likes of Skillibeng and Rytical, you see me? And don't look for Rytical them apologize and Popcaan apologizing, because them rich and them ego of the most of them, you see me? But hopefully eventually we get to see it where Rytical and Skillibeng can dip on a song together. Zin, cause the fact that we not see them a collab. And you know say if Skillibeng for collab with Rytical, Skillibeng can't really just come with no girl song and a slack song or like the regular thing, you know. He might have to forward with something good. Cause Rytical is more of a youth where meds. You get what I say? Yeah, so I saw you know say Rytical are a good youth. And Skillibeng are preen cause people go find out him right. Him earlier sang them and Skillibeng make that get to him head. You get what I say? Yeah. So I just saw the thing go. You see me? One more time at this play.
Right? And he would start recording it, and I'm like, what is he saying? He was like, on the song. See, I like doing songs without the country artists, but it'd be hella funny because it'd be like when you listen to it back, it'd be like, what was it? Hey, like she could come up on the dick, suck a dick. When she look up on the dick, love a dick, go to suck a dick, love. Come up on it, suck up on it, lick up on it, cocky. I'm like, what the?
You see, that's what she love. Like, what the fuck you have to offer to the young? Hey, my girl. She love that so much. And look at her. It makes them look disgusting. It makes these bitches look disgusting. Like I wouldn't want to drink water with you, or you know, like if I was to see this girl and you know in real life and she offered me a drink or something, I don't know, like I wouldn't like certain things. I don't know, trust me. Because all you see is come. Like Ivani. These bitches are crazy nowadays, bro. They be crazy. Disgust me, man. You see me what I'm saying? Yeah, so this shows how she do it. Look at her reaction.
That was
Look at that. Look at that.
hellish shit the bitch did. Like, what?
Look
She
at
did what on the dick? Cause suck up on the dick, love a dick, on the cocky on the I'm just like, girl, I had to replay the record back. I'm like, the bitch did what on the dick? She did all that in 3 seconds? Suck up on it, love up on it, suck up on the cocky, flip up on it, clip up on the clip, bust a clip on the dick with the clip in the. She love up on the dick, come up on the dick, bust up on the cocky like a Rocky in the tucky. She suck it like a motherfucking tucky. I was like, okay, no pussy test. What you talking about?
yeah, so we gonna end it here. NPT, our alkaline name him album them say, you know. So you see me? See few people that talk say him release him. And you know, you can pre-order them say. Yeah, you can pre-order. But it not officially release as yet, it seems. You see me? And then nighttime show, yeah, it must have got available for people. The Barclay things in. But I see people that say, yo, Alkaline Ray do better than Cartel. Him still not do better than Cartel. Because Vybz Kartel got 3 times back to back in a row. Make Alkaline do it 3 times back to back in a row. Come on, we're not going like we don't know say Cartel a lead with Barclay thing. Cartel got 3 nights in a row, bro, and bitches, hoes. Like, come on, what the fuck you think? You think it's a game? For real, you must think it's a game. You see? When you really think it is a game, Cartel do 3 nights in a row, back to back to back, and up the score. What the fuck is you bitches and bros and hoes be talking about? Saying Alkaline do better than Cartel. You know, sting, go beard. Go beard, you know, nasty self. The one time him do it, yes, congratulations to him, but him still the black of the fucking line. Because they have Buju way in front time and Cartel a lead. We no follow we lead out. We no follow we lead out. We no follow we lead out. We no follow we lead out, lead out. We no follow we lead out. Them boy they so talk out our mouth, hey. They don't know but them talk about. Them a joke, them can't all smoke, hey. One poke up on the back. Yo, go and go burn over again. You see me? Cause we don't have nothing to talk over, my friend. All type of US currency we spend. Zine, forward again. Yeah, I'm out. Where I end this speech? Yeah, shit, man.